everybody, welcome to my video, my not live video, because I'm in Vegas. So I took a little time off, but I'm here still to share and show, and so hopefully you will do the same. Today we're going to be doing There's No Place Like Home, one of our most popular transfers. This puppy right here is so amazing. He may not even be available right now because we are out of stock on him. But if you want to send me a message, I do have plenty in stock here at home, so I can get you this ASAP so that you can finish or create your own. So today we're going to use this guy on a black chalkboard painted piece of wood right here. And there we go. So I am gonna just kind of peel him off. Now this has been distressed a little bit and waxed, of course. And he is gonna go onto this surface. And he's gonna look adorable. Phew! My goodness. Thank you if you said bless you. If you did not say bless you, that's okay. I'm sure someone did. It's kind of odd doing a video and chatting and having nobody really responding to me. But so the colors that I have chosen today, I have a little candy apple for his scarf, some white for his body, almond for his hands, orange peel for his carrot nose, and then, gosh, his hat could be, normally like a dark hat, but maybe I'll do a red hat and a red scarf. So here we go. We're gonna open our candy apple first and give it a good stir. There we go. I only dropped a little bit of it on me. Goodness. It popped right out of the container onto my shirt. That is a bunch of red dye on my shirt, even though my shirt is black. I don't want it. Okay, got it off. Good, 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 good. So I'm gonna open these other colors as well so that I can be ready to go when I need to. Now, if you want, you can use the pull and chalk and pull method. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna stir my colors up. Each one needs to be stirred. This almond color is nice. I'm wondering, maybe I should just do the bark. I don't know if it'll, or maybe iced coffee. You guys think that's a little darker? Iced coffee versus the almond. Yeah, let's do iced coffee. I think this is a little too light for what we're going for. Okay, so we'll close that up and we'll use the iced coffee because we want it to kind of resemble twigs for arms. All right, so I'm gonna start at the top and we're gonna do his hat in red. And I got a little close to that white. Oy vey. Little close to the point where I may have to clean that up. Okay, because this red kind of got everywhere. go. There we go. All right, so the red is good. Now, I just really need to make sure that there's no red. There we go. All right, so we can do that with the white, and I'm gonna use a tiny, very skinny squeegee to get the words here. And put the extra in there. And just kind of clean that off a bit. We can go down to the snow. We got a little red. I'm carrying a little red around. That is not what we want to do. Okay. There we go. Clean that off. And then we'll go ahead and do our little orange carrot nose. Just careful with that. And then I think I'll peel it up after I have that done, so that there we go. And we're gonna do his scarf. I need to clean, you see that white underneath the W? I need to clean that off of my board because that's gonna be red. That's part of his scarf. So we definitely do not want that to be there. Okay, so that's gone. And you can give it a good blow. You can take your little dryer and dry a little bit there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lightly put that back and rub down only the part that has the scarf, the little scarf there. So that's gonna be red. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of red. Oh, the fruit flies are still at me. Can't handle. And I'm gonna get this scarf red. So this will be fun, fun, fun. Here we go. Awesome. It's going a little better for me than the other. There we go. Okay. And let's see. We can do with a very small squeegee, we can do our little twig hands. So that's easy. We'll do the next one as well. And then the rest is all white. So that will be easy to finish. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And I'm gonna go ahead and use a bigger, I'm gonna use a small a small squeegee, which is actually kind of like our medium size. It's our small one, but then we came out with a mini. So every time I use the word small, you know that it's bigger than the mini, but I use the mini all the time. If you guys have watched, you know that I'm using those mini squeegees all the time. Okay. This should be pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and peel this the rest of the way. I love it. Love, love, love it. Super cute, adorable. This guy is gonna be cute on literally any surface that you can put him on. I have, we have black and white, and we have distress boards, super fun. Well, honestly, that's all I have for you tonight. I hope you guys had fun watching me do this, and grab yours today in my online shop, chalkcouture.com/CreativeSarah. If he's unavailable, send me a message and I will get right back to you, and I'll ship one out ASAP. All right, guys, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will chat with you later. Bye-bye.